What if you could have incredible strength on one side of the body? Would it be amazing, or would it have its problems too? Hello everyone, I'm Vaibhavi Kamath. I'm a fitness trainer. Today I'm going to talk about what is posterior chain and why you need to train your posterior chain. But before we get into the video, we'll first understand what is anterior chain and what is posterior chain so that you understand the video a little better. Anterior chain comprises of all the muscles on the front side of the body, whereas posterior chain comprises of all the muscles on the back side of the body, starting from the head all the way down to our heels. These muscles are important for our day-to-day functioning. Simple things like picking something up from the floor or standing up and sitting down. These muscles comprise of important muscles that include your calves, your hamstrings, glutes, erector spinae muscles, rotator cuff muscles and your latissimus dorsi. But why am I fixating so much on the posterior muscles? Our head is huge and it weighs around 10 pounds. 10 pounds does not seem to be much to be lifted, but our neck is not a dumbbell rack. It is designed to move 40 degrees on the left and right and bend forward and backward. But what it's not designed to do is hold a weight that is of 10 pounds which is leaning forward much of the day. Ideally, our head has to stay in line with the midline of our body, but we slouch forward throughout the day while using our phone, while working on our laptop, or even while reading. All of these lead to tightening of the anterior muscles. Plus, if you're sitting for most of the time, your glutes and hamstrings lengthen and become weak, which leaves your spine begging for support. The posterior chain, if not used adequately, it is highly possible that your body does not even know to activate them, especially your glutes. So what happens now is, since your posterior chain is not taking the weight that it was supposed to take, the body compensates and gives more load to the front side of the body, because of which it's highly possible that you injure yourself. So now I'll give you a simple analogy which will make you understand the concept a little better. Suppose you injure your left ankle and you have to walk from your bedroom to your kitchen. What would you do? You would simply place all the weight on the right leg and slowly limp forward and reach to your destination by putting very little weight on your left ankle. This is exactly what the body does. It gives more pressure to the dominant side. Now, by training your posterior chain, you will first avoid injuries, and the second most important thing is you'll get an amazing posture which will always make you stand tall and look confident. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. See you very soon.